Today we will be talking about forces. But first, what is a force? A force can be constituted as a push or pull, or an interaction between two objects. A force is a vector quantity, which means that it has a magnitude and a direction. Today we'll be talking about two types of forces: contact, such as normal, tension, or friction, and long range, such as gravity or weight. When an object is placed on a surface, the surface exerts a force on the object, such as when you put a book on a table. The direction of the normal force is always perpendicular to the surface. When an object slides along a surface, the surface exerts a force on the object, such as when a hockey puck slides across an ice rink. The direction of the friction force is always opposite to the direction of movement. In some cases we will neglect friction, but in other cases we will not. Tension force is a type of pulling force that is transferred through a string, rope, cable, or wire. The tension force is always directed along the length of said wire or rope, as you can see in this example where the box is hanging from a rope. The force of weight can also be described as the force of gravity on an object. In this example, a ball is dropped from a certain height, and you can see that the force of weight is straight down. The force of weight can also be described as mass times acceleration, where the acceleration is the acceleration of gravity. Now that we know a little bit about forces, we can construct free body diagrams, which help us visualize forces and solve problems. In the first example, we have a gymnast hanging from a bar. We have two tension forces going straight up from her arms, and the force of her weight going straight down. In the second example, we have a bike coasting to the right. So we will have the force normal going straight up, the force of the weight of the bike going straight down, and the friction force going to the left since the bike is coasting to the right.